Through the location card, you can set up your outbound processes to be a mixture of sales orders, shipment, picks, and the use of bins. Let's have some example of that. So this is the first example. I would call this setup to be an external warehouse, because it might make sense that you have different sales orders you want to create into maybe one shipment and send it to an external warehouse. It could also be that you want to have internally one warehouse document with no pricing coming from the sales order. That could also be the scenario, but not using bins and therefore also not using picks. This would look like this on the location card. We've made a location called external, and that is set up with require receipt, and in this case also require shipment, which is in the outbound side, but no requirements of bins and picks. So this is one scenario. Next scenario could be what we call distribute. In here we have a location set up with no shipments in here, but we require put away and bins. And let me show you how this would look in the PowerPoint overview. So this would be the view in PowerPoint. We have no sales shipment on the outbound side to bundle the sales order, but create picks directly from the sales order. In this scenario, it would be called inventory picks in Business Central, but we also use the bin functionality. Next example could be this example, only using bin, except it actually says purchase receipt here, but if we assume we have no purchase receipt and only bins, it will look like this in Business Central. We've made a location here called bin simple, and the only check mark set in here is the bin mandatory, so we just want to do all postings directly on the documents. And another scenario, the last example here, could be either the directed put away and pick, the big check mark as we call it, that automatically force all the other check marks to be set, or on our main location that we have manually set all the check mark for shipments and putaways and bin mandatory, and that will look like the following in the PowerPoint. So this will be the scenario in PowerPoint, meaning we have all the pick activities, the sales shipment activities, and also all the movement bins activities.